Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF file in laptop. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any PDF file. So let's suppose I'm going to open this sample file. You simply need to open this with Microsoft Edge. So here you can see that, and I'm going to add something here. So you simply need to click on this, add text option, and click here. So I'm going to add here something unique. So it is about kitchen. So if you want to change color, you can change from here, and if you want to increase text size and different things, you can do that. And if you want to delete, you simply need to click here. So once you add a text, so here you can see that it is added, and if you want to save, you simply need to click here. So this is the process by which you can edit PDF file in laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.